Welcome to the AR case study of Pacific Ozone PC cart. PC series cart primarily used for surface disinfection. It provides ozonated water up to 2 parts per million for sanitizing surfaces such as walls, floors, tables where food processing is done. Let's get familiarized with the individual components of the PC cart. Point your device towards a flat surface. Tap on the icons for the corresponding actions. Disassembling front panel. Tap the hotspots to view the component details. Oxygen concentrator. Ozone generator. High voltage power supply. Compressed air filter. Disassembling back panel. Tap the hotspots to view the component details. Oilless compressor. Water inlet. Cooling fan. Compressed air storage. Assembling back panel. Assembling front panel.